You can see all these little bumps and scratches and stuff. We're gonna cover that up. That way that doesn't show, and then it'll match over here with the line. Oh, nice. Look at that. Woo-wee. All right, so we painted this bottom part, so it's a straight line. You don't see that white in between the side rails and the top, and paint pinned the Rhino logo in red, so that gives it a little bit of pop. I'm talking about putting maybe a red pinstripe on here too. I think that looks pretty good. What do you think?